Today I'm unboxing another G-Shock MTG, model number MTGB2000XD-1A. Right off the bat, the attention to detail inside the face and bezel make this watch a true work of art. It's shiny, a bit blingy, but overall it keeps the tough exterior you're used to on a traditional G-Shock. This beauty is made from stainless steel with a carbon reinforced resin case. The bezel you see here has the recognizable carbon fiber weave, which looks really cool in my opinion. The use of these materials means this watch is relatively light for its size at 150 grams, but also super strong. Green accents in the face pop brilliantly over the largely monochrome color scheme, which works as a great point of difference to most G-Shock watches. The solid stainless steel bracelet feels super high quality and is very comfortable due to the silicone inserts on the inside. We also see some silicone pads on the outside of the clasp, which presumably is to prevent any scratches on that part of the watch. The one-touch, three-fold clasp is milled out of a solid block of stainless steel, which is great to see, and overall this piece fits really well on the wrist. This watch is solar powered with an approximate battery life of 5 months on a full charge, or 29 months if the power save function is in use. Like all MTG watches, this one has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can check out all the functions including the battery life with the G-Shock connected app. It is a fairly large watch with a case diameter at 55mm. Nonetheless, if you have enjoyed this watch, you can check it out online at watchdepot.com.au or just click the link in the description.